work, we analyzed the possible effects of climate change on the geographical distribution of potential zones for the exploitation of renewable energy and aquaculture activities over European regional seas. Comparing the favorable conditions for the development of these activities in the present and the future climate scenarios, we observe that the energy potential for both wind and wave energy will not be impacted by climate change in the study area. That is, climate projections indicate stability in these marine energy resources. On the other hand, the increase in temperature and difference in salinity will require an adaptation of the aquaculture sector regarding the geographical location of the farms. In this work, we adapt the delta change method to assess future climate conditions due to climate change. So the combination of these two methods allow us to evaluate the distribution of potential zones for present and future scenarios with greater reliability. Long-term projections of climate change have allowed the analysis of displacement trends of the energy and aquaculture industries, contributing to the marine spatial planning process in the region. In addition, it was possible to identify opportunities for both sectors, such as the increase in suitable areas for aquaculture, for example, as in the case of Atlantic salmon, allowing new market opportunities, or even the stability in the energy resource, confirming the long-term resilience of these activities in the study area. Long-term threats have also been identified in small areas, including climate change in the planning process tends to reduce potential risks and maximize opportunities for marine economies. Therefore, the assessment of the potential zones for exploitation of marine renewable energy resources and fish farming represents a useful stepping stone for improving decision making and confirming the long-term resilience of such activities in the study area. With regard to the methods employed in this study, it is recommended that a mid-term scenario be considered to contemplate the evolution of these chains from the current climate to the long-term climate projection. In addition, other emission scenarios and other downscaling techniques should be considered.